How to make a loop on CapCut. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can make a loop on CapCut. So let's dive in. First, open your CapCut app, and here you have to choose any project that you want to work on. I'm going to work with this project, and then you have to just click this CapCut option over here. Now you just have this video. Now in order to make the loop, you have to just come into the middle or the end and just split this video by clicking this video. Now click split. Now in this menu you have to just slide to the left side until you see the option of duplicate and choose it. Now keep duplicating the video over here, the part that you just split, until you are satisfied with the loop that you want. So you can just duplicate it as much as you want the loop to be long, and that's the process that you can follow to make a loop on CapCut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.